In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create style guides in Figma for instructional design. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process to quickly set up a consistent look and feel for your courses or learning materials. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Figma runs entirely on the web, so you don't have to install anything to follow along. Once you're on the homepage, head to the Community section. Think of Community as Figma's built-in library of shared templates and resources. It's a great shortcut for instructional designers because you can start from proven layouts and patterns instead of reinventing the wheel. Inside Community, use the search bar and type Style Guides. You'll see everything from simple typography references to robust brand systems. Take a moment to skim the thumbnails and read the descriptions. Look for templates that match the vibe and practical needs of your course materials. Clean typography for readability, accessible color palettes for clarity, and layouts that translate well to slide decks, handouts, and e-learning interfaces. Don't overcomplicate the choice. Pick something that feels close to your brand or team's preferences. Click the template that stands out and select Open in Figma. The file will load into your workspace, ready for customization. Most templates include organized pages for colors, typography, spacing, and sometimes example components like buttons, cards, or sample screens. The structure is already set. Your task is to make it reflect your instructional design context. Begin with colors. In the left panel, you'll find color styles. Rename them to match your brand terminology and adjust the color values to your palette. Keep accessibility front and center. Ensure text and background combinations have strong contrast so learners can read comfortably across different screens and lighting conditions. If your course uses states like success, warning, or error, assign colors with clear meaning and sufficient contrast. Next, update the fonts. Replace the heading, subheading, and body text styles with the typefaces you plan to use. Aim for a clear hierarchy so learners can scan quickly. Pairing a bold, readable display font for headings with a clean body font often works well, but staying within one family with multiple weights can keep things cohesive. Adjust sizes and line spacing to ensure legibility in slides, PDFs, and interface elements. Finally, refine the overall style. Tweak spacing, corner radiuses, and icon sizes so everything feels consistent. If the template includes components, update their colors and text styles to mirror your choices and test a few sample layouts to confirm everything holds together. That's it. You've opened Figma, explored Community, selected a style guide template, and customized colors, fonts, and styles to fit your instructional design project. With this foundation, every new asset you create will look consistent and professional.